how are you today? I am so glad that you're back to join me to learn more. The game is called Memory. So what you have to do is try and remember what you see. So look at my penguins. I have some penguins and fishies, and take a picture with your mind. Did you guys all take a picture? Okay, so I am going to flip these over, and we have to help our penguins find their matching fishies. So I have pink, yellow, green, blue, red, purple. Purple, red, blue, yellow, pink, green. So let me flip them over really quick. And on the back of them, I have some letters and I have some numbers. And we have to try and match. So we're going to pick one letter and one number, okay? And see if we can find any matches. Okay, so my letters are A, B, C, D, E, F. Can you say that with me? A, B, C, D, E, F. And then down here, I have my numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Can you say that with me? Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right. Do you remember where any matches were? You do. Which number should we try first? Should we try, our letter. We'll pick our letter first and then our number. Should we try our letter E? Okay, let's see. What color of penguin is this? Red, that is right. Okay, so let's see if we can find the matching red penguin. So we have to pick a number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or 6. Did you say number 2? Do you remember if there was a match right there? You're right, we found the matching red penguins. Penguins love to eat fishies, so it wants to eat a red fishy to match him. All right, so which penguin should we pick next? So we have A, B, C, D, or F. Okay, we should try A. So that's a pink penguin. Now we have to pick a fishy. So 1, 3, 4, 5, or 6. Number 5. Okay, let's see. We found another match. Great job. That was awesome. Okay, let's pick a different one now. We have B, C, D, or F. C. Okay, let's see. C is my green penguin. Which number should we pick? Should we pick 1, 3, 4, or 6? Should we try number 1? Let's see if it's a match. That's a purple fish. Is that a match? No, number 1 wasn't a match. That was a good try though. So let's flip those over and we'll try something different. Okay, which letter should we try now? B, C, D, or F? Should we try F? That's a purple penguin. We just saw the purple fish. Do you remember what number it was? Did you say number 1? Let's see. You were right. It was number 1. I'm actually going to put my little penguins and fishies together so it's easier to find the matches. Great job. Good remembering. Okay, which one should we pick now? B, C, or D? B. That's a yellow penguin. Where do you think the yellow fish is? 3, 4, or 6? Let's see. 6? Nope, it wasn't behind the 6. That one's a green fish. That was a good try though. Okay, which penguin should we pick now? Should we try B again? Let's see. Maybe we can find the yellow this time. Should we try number 3? Okay, let's see. That wasn't a match. That was a blue fish was number 3. All right. So let's try something else. Should we try letter C, our penguin right here? What color is that one? Green. Ooh, do you remember where the green fish was? Was it number 4, 3, or 6? 6? Okay, let's see. You were right, it was 6. All right, so now I have B and D and 3 and 4. Which one should we pick next? D? We haven't picked D yet. What color is that penguin? Blue. We saw the blue fishy before. Do you remember where my blue fishy was? Was it number 4 or number 3? Number 3. Let's see if you're right. You were right. It was number 3. Okay, so now all I have left are B and 4. So let's flip over our B. That's yellow. And now let's see if our number 4 is yellow. All of the penguins got to eat their fishies. Great job, friends. They are so happy. And I want to tell you something else about penguins that I love. Penguins love to catch fish and they love to slide on their bellies. Isn't that fun? So they'll go, there's lots of icebergs. Those are like big, huge mountains of ice that float in the water. And the penguins love to slide on their bellies on the iceberg, like ice slides. Can you go like this and pretend to slide down? Go wee! And penguins can't fly, even though they have wings and they're actually part of the bird family, but they do not know how to fly. And we are going to sing a little song about a penguin. It's to the tune of I'm a Little Teapot. Do you know that song? I'm a little teapot. Okay, but it goes, I'm a little penguin, black and white, stout and fluffy, what a sight! I can't fly, but I love to swim, so I'll waddle to the water and dive right in. Great job! So penguins, when they walk, they have like the shortest little legs, so they can't walk normal, so they have to waddle. Have you ever seen a penguin waddle? You have, maybe on TV? Yeah? Okay, we're going to sing a song about waddling. So I want you to pretend to be a penguin with me, and it goes, did you ever see a penguin, a penguin, a penguin? Did you ever see a penguin? Waddle this way and that. Can you do that with me? Waddle this way and that way. Waddle this way and that way. Have you ever seen a penguin? Waddle this way and that. Now remember how they're really good swimmers? Can you pretend to jump in the water and we're going to swim? Ready? Okay, now we're going to swim. Have you ever seen a penguin? A penguin, a penguin. Have you ever seen a penguin swim this way and that? Swim with me. Swim this way and that way. Swim this way and that way. Have you ever seen a penguin swim this way and that?